How to study difficult topics. Towards the end, Firstring will discuss with the student whether they have met the achievements of the session. Firstring will also discuss with him/her what topic we should focus on in the next session, so that Firstring can prepare accordingly. Firstring is also happy to set the student additional questions to complete in their free time to test their ability. Firstring found that focusing intensively on each weak topic individually helped us improve greatly during A-levels, so Firstring will employ similar techniques in tutoring sessions.
Hello, my name is Richie, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global online tuition service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivated me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
Hey guys, my name is Ashwin Thomas, and I'm a student at Firstring Global Online Tuition. And this is my vlog on how Firstring Global Online Tuition managed to help me improve on my weak subjects. Firstly, I wasn't doing particularly well at English and science. I had been getting really bad scores and I needed help fast, as GCSE was right off the corner. That's when I was introduced to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So I started doing Firstring Global Online Tuition. I had made a lot of progress with the help of the teachers, who taught me different subjects in science and English. I learned a lot from them. They tested me through worksheets and homeworks, which was set at the end of each lesson, and we went through it at the start of each lesson to see if I was making any progress. Within 3 months, my teachers at school had started to notice the difference I was making. I'd been doing fantastically well at my test, which meant that I could beat my targets. This is all thanks to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So if you're thinking of joining, I surely recommend you do, and you will see the difference in your lessons.
The main thing which it helped me with is to understand that in the question itself there are the key words which you have to use in the answer. So basically, if the question is like, what is photosynthesis, you have to write in full sentences, photosynthesis is, and then what photosynthesis is. So this was a great leap for me, and basically I'm so happy that I managed to do this. Not only this, my time management skills were poor before I joined Firstring.